So I decided that instead of working on my prototype yesterday, I needed to create some kind of a camera mount so that I could take some cool videos like everybody else. So I'm going to do a quick video montage with lots of steps missing, so I apologize, of how to turn all of this into this with some of those as a camera mount. All right, so I'm going to apologize for the shakiness of this video, if we can even do this. This is the phone bracket mount that I made to mount to a tripod, so that's what this base is. It's the tripod mount. If we can do this with one hand, I will then show you that this slips right in here. That should hold the phone. So now, when I shoot videos, it can be mounted in my tripod right there, and the videos will be still and I'll have both hands free.